How to get 4 bullets on hunting sniper. In this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the bullet. So basically we only get 3 rounds of bullet in each game and each gun has 3 bullets. So here on the bottom you can see this shop icon. Tap on the shop icon. Here this is the place where you can buy bullets and add to it. So here are reward offers or other offers that will be there. So as you can see, there are different type of deals that you can buy. So in order to buy them you should use this real money. Here it has been mentioned you can directly purchase it by using your credit or debit card, and you can have this 4 bullets in your round. So this will help a lot in the game as you get another chance of hitting the deer. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.